Hello, my name is Jenny Alejandra Rivera Guevara. I am a student in University UNAS. Discovered a charming destination in Colombia, Sendero Ecological Travel Guide, located north of the municipality of Rio Sucio Caldas. Sendero Ecological, an ecological guide where you can know of biodiversity and enjoy the four natural elements: air, water, earth, and fire. What to do? You must take a walk in the middle of nature. You must see the number of bird species. You must see the waterfall where the trillions. Travel tips. You do not have to bring any electronic device that make noise. You must not use flash. You must bring hydration. You do not have to smoke. To get to the trail, you have to walk approximately 20 minutes. You must go in comfortable clothes. You want to spend the night. They offer accommodation in cabins or you can as camp. The typical foods of the region are delicious. You have to come to know and enjoy nature. Thank you.